All right, 1.2 day one. We're going to start on this week. This section's broken into 3 days, and we kind of chunk it together in categories. So the first one is on stem and leaf plots. In stats, there are two types of variables. There's categorical, which is the data divided into groups for organizing. This would be such as male versus female, or like senior versus junior, breaking them into groups and then comparing data. Quantitative is, I gotta zoom in for this, numerical values for which it makes sense to do mathematical operations on. So one example would be like pulse rates. Like in gym class, or the doctor might tell you what the range is for a normal pulse rate. That's because they do studies on the number, and they kind of know what most people should be in between. A stem and leaf plot is a vertical type of graph. And many of you probably have done these before. Some of you might remember, some might not. And this uses the actual values of the quantitative variables within the graph. So it's made of stems and leaves, which is where the name comes from. How am I supposed to be? Leaves. And usually only used for small amounts of data. So the stem is the first digit, or digits of a number that will be used to create classes for the data. And then the leaf is only the last digit. All right, and we're going to make a couple stem and leaf plots. So in example one, it says organizing the following data into a stem and leaf plot, then find the median. So I do this in 2 steps. The first step is just get the numbers down in the classes. So you make almost like a T-chart, and on the left side, you put your stems, and the right side, you put your leaves. So all of these numbers are 2 digits. So 1 digit will go on the left, and 1 will go on the right. So if we look, the smallest number we have in here, I believe, is in the 40s. And the biggest number we have is 80. So we need to go from 40 to 80. So let me zoom in just a little bit. So it'll be 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So that's like by the tens, because this is only 2 numbers in each number, 2 digits in each number. So if we go through our list, 44 will be in the 40s, so you put the 4 here. And I'm going to cross it off as I do it. 53 will be in the 5 category, so the 3 goes after the 5. 57 is also in the 5 category. 41 would be in the 40s, so the one above there. 62 goes after the 6, so 6, 2. 80 will be down by the 8. 42 up by the 4. 59, 50, 74, 61. So notice I'm just going through my list. It doesn't matter what order they're in right now. I'm just getting them down. 76 would be in the 70s. So 7, then put your 6 there. 42, 54, 65, and 58. Okay, so all the numbers are in that one. Okay, the second step that I do is I make another stem and leaf plot. And this time I put them in the correct order. So I still have my 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. But I want to put them in order from least to greatest. So like in that top row, it's 4, 1, 2, 2. I'm going to put that in order. It's going to be 1, 2, 2, 4. Then the 50s, we have a 0, a 3, a 4, and then we have a 7, a 8, and a 9. 7, 8, 9. In the 60s, it's 1, 2, 5. In the 70s, it's 74 and 76, and then it's just 80. So now everything's in the correct order. So I'm going to use a highlighter. This is the final stem and leaf plot. That's what we want. Okay, and then the last step says to find the median. So over here, I'm going to find the median. So to find the median, you got to work your way to the middle. So I'm going to take a highlighter and work my way towards the middle. I'm going to use green. So I'm going to cross off the smallest number and the biggest number. The next smallest and the next biggest. The next smallest and the next biggest. I'm going to keep working my way to the middle. So 53, 61. And we have the 4 and the 9. So we're left with 2, okay? We have these two numbers right there, right? So to find the median, we have to find out what's in between those two numbers. And those two numbers are 57 and 58. So you'll take 57 plus 58 divided by 2. And your median is 57 and a half. Okay? So yeah, 57.5 for the median for that one. What I'm going to do is jump to, skip checkpoint 1 and do example 2, and then I'll come back to the checkpoint. So if you don't want to see the checkpoint and you feel good, you can just go on to the homework. But I'm going to go right down to example 2. We're doing the same exact thing. We're going to find the median and put this in a stem and leaf plot. So step 1 would be make your first stem and leaf plot. So the numbers go 11.1, 12.5. So there's 3 digits. So now 2 digits will go on the left and 1 digit goes on the right. Our smallest number looks like it is 10.9. And our biggest number is 13.6. So we'd put 10, 11, 12, and 13. Now we're going to get all of our numbers down. So 11.2 will go after the 11. 12.5 goes after the 5. 10.9, the 9 comes after the 10. 13.5 comes after the 13. 13.6, 12.2, 11.3, 11.7, and then 12.9. So we have all the numbers down. Now let's put them in order. So we're going to do the final draft over here. So still 10, 11, 12, 13, and put them in order. So we have 10.9, 2, 3, 7. Now this would be 2, 5, 9. So notice I had to switch the order around. And 13 be 13.5 and 13.6. So we have our final answer over here. Now we got to do the median. So I'll do the median. We got to count our way to the middle. So the smallest and biggest. The next smallest, the next biggest. Next smallest, next biggest. Next smallest, next biggest. So it looks like the median is 12.2. And that's all we got. So that's how we do a stem and leaf plot. If you feel good about it, you can stop the video and go on to the homework. I'm going to go back and just show the checkpoint, just so if anyone wants to see another example, I'll have one right here. Okay? All right, so in the checkpoint, notice these numbers are 3 digits. So 3 digits would mean that 2 digits go on the left, 1 goes on the right. So the smallest number is in the 120s, the biggest is in the 170s. So we would go 12 for 120, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So we go through our list. 123 will be after the 12. 134 comes after the 13. 126 and 123, 131, 142, 150, and 172. So it's okay that there's nothing after the 6, or the 16, I mean. So then lastly, we're going to make our T-chart. We're going to go 12 through 17. And put them in order. So 3, 3, 6, 1, 4, 2, 0, 2. So this is the final stem and leaf plot. And then for the median, let me change colors. We have to count our way to the middle. So cross off the biggest and smallest, next biggest, next smallest. So it's going to be directly between 131 and 134. So 131 plus 134 divided by 2. 131 plus 134 divided by 2 is 132.5. All right, so the only difference there is there was no decimals, and it was 3 digits, so they were in the 120s and the 130s. All right, and hopefully that'll make sense for you.